Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Saha, and in this lecture series we are talking about how to get started with MATLAB. So let's start today's code. Here we are going to discuss how to create a matrix where the elements will be linearly spaced. That is, we are going to create linearly spaced elements. So let's start the code. I hope till now you are very much well known about the codes that has been written in line number 1 to 3. If not, please refer to my previously uploaded video in this particular lecture series. So in the line number 6, we are going to create that particular vector x using the function that is linspace. It is basically the short form of line space. So the syntax is linspace, and within that is within first bracket, we need to give that is from which point the value should be start. That is, we are going to create linearly spaced variables. Now what is the starting value of that linearly spaced variable? Suppose the value is 0, so I have given 0, then comma 70. So that means 70 is the highest value that it could reach. So that is the minimum value is 0, maximum value is 70 of the linearly spaced elements. And now how many elements you need to create? That is, I have specified that I need 7 elements. So the total function becomes linspace within bracket 0, 70, that is minimum and maximum value of the elements, and number of elements, that is 7. Now I am just going to display it by the line number 7 and 8. And if you are not familiar with this DISP function, please refer to my previous videos. Now just look at the workspace. So in the workspace you can see that is a variable x has been created and the values have been given, and the mean and max values, that is mean I have specified as 0 and max I have specified as 70. Now just look at the array editor and how you can get that array editor. So in the workspace there is a variable x. So on that particular line that has been written, that is x, and previous to that there is a 4 square shaped box that is there. Just double click it. If you just double click it, then this particular array editor window will be opened. In that array editor you can see that is the array is x, and how many elements are there? There are basically 7 elements, and the initial, that is the starting position, is 0 and the ending position is 70, and all the variables are there, they are linearly spaced. Why linearly spaced? That is element 2 is 11.67 and the first element is 0. What is the difference? 11.67. Same thing is there between element number 3 and element number 2, same difference. Element number 4 and 3, same difference. So that is each of the difference between each of the consecutive elements. That is, suppose elements I plus 1 minus element I, that is the difference is fixed. So this is the linspace objective, or how we are going to implement that. Now just see the command window, that is the value of x, that is 7 elements are there, starting position 0 and ending position 70, that has been given. So this is all about today's video. Thank you everyone for investing your time, and happy studying.